Do you know why is digitalization critical for India to become a preferred global manufacturing hub? What impact does digitalization have on product quality, operational efficiency, and sustainability? What role do Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT and automation play in transforming Indian manufacturing? What key strategies and reforms are necessary to raise the Indian manufacturing sector's share of GDP from 17% to 25% by 2030? Indian manufacturing is on the brink of a revolution. Digitalization is the key to unlocking its true potential. With Industry 4.0 technologies, manufacturers can monitor production in real time, reduce errors, and boost efficiency. Digitalization helps cut operational costs, improve product quality, and speed up decision-making. It also enables Indian manufacturers to compete globally, scale rapidly, and explore new markets. To stay competitive and grow the economy, Indian manufacturing must embrace digitalization now. The future is smart, connected, and digital. Stay tuned for more informative videos.